We've had a total of 8 operations on this. The problem is once we make an arrest.
10-4, 12.
We're there, guys. Got eyes on.
Size the office.
10-4, Hickey, 11, outside.
A little more. Okay, good. You're good. You're good. We're good. Step back. Step back forward. DD, we're up.
Get alive! Clear the line, left and right, clear the line. Move together, get out of
It's for 4116 DW, David Williams.
We're clear on the Baker Charlie.
Roger that. We're clear all the way around.
We have 3 suspects coming out.
4 everyone, 10-4, as your wallet taken looks like a dollar bill.
QDL. 4 Brockings for second level. Go ahead with the first deal. Edward 182-2949 out 50S.
The execution was flawless, in my opinion. We're on the inside. We're actually running from the front team and ran right into our guys coming in the back. That's the old hammer and anvil that we like to perform.
Yeah, I think he was hiding all the way under the bed.
He had the most colorful shoes, so we could find him under the bed. We appreciate that.
They're pretty. I think they're still searching, so we'll see what we have.
You want to deal with the plate, Nicole?
Negative.
7 Edward Victor King 854.
77 Edward Victor King 854.
This is the 9th time we've hit this place. You know, if they come back, the neighbors will call narcotics will call us, and we'll do it all over again.